What if your stocks could pay your Netflix bill every month without selling a single share? Today, I'll show you 5 dividend stocks that pay you monthly, even if you're just starting out. Most people think you have to wait years to see any real cash from stocks, but these picks are different. Instead of waiting for quarterly payouts, these stocks pay you every 30 days, turning your investments into a steady monthly income stream. Imagine your portfolio covering your bills, one by one, just from dividends. This is perfect for anyone who wants to build wealth slowly, without the stress of market timing or the headaches of being a landlord. You get landlord-like income, but without tenants, repairs, or property taxes. You're becoming a part owner in businesses designed to generate consistent cash flow, and they share it with you every month. It's a simple way to make your money work for you, even if you're on a tight budget. Ready to see which stocks can start paying your bills? Let's dive in, grab a coffee and get comfortable. Here are the 5 monthly dividend stocks you need to know. First up is Realty Income, ticker symbol O, the original monthly dividend company. Realty Income is a REIT, meaning it owns commercial properties, and is legally required to pay out most profits as dividends. Think Walgreens, Dollar General, and FedEx. Realty Income often owns the buildings these businesses use. Their tenants are stable, essential businesses making rent payments reliable. When tenants pay rent, Realty Income pays you a slice of that as a monthly dividend. They've paid monthly dividends for over 600 consecutive months since 1994. Their focus on single-tenant long-term leases means tenants handle taxes and maintenance, keeping Realty Income's costs low and cash flow steady. The current dividend yield is about 5% paid in 12 monthly installments. It may not sound huge, but over time, these payments can cover real bills, phone, internet, even car insurance. This isn't a get-rich-quick stock, it's a get-wealthy-slowly stock. Realty Income is the foundation of many dividend portfolios for a reason. You're buying a piece of prime American real estate without the headaches. If you want reliability, it's hard to beat the company that built its brand on monthly payouts. Boring? Maybe. But for passive income, boring is beautiful. Realty Income is the anchor of any monthly dividend portfolio. Let's see what's next. Next, meet Stag Industrial, ticker Stag, the landlord of the e-commerce world. Stag is a REIT that owns warehouses and distribution centers, the backbone of online shopping. Amazon is their biggest tenant, so you're essentially collecting rent from the e-commerce giant. Warehouses are simple to manage, no late-night tenant calls, just big companies on long-term leases. As online shopping grows, demand for Stag's properties keeps rising. This means steady rent, steady dividends. Stag's dividend yield is around 4%, a bit lower than Realty Income, but you're getting exposure to a booming sector. Owning both O and Stag gives you a powerful mixed retail storefronts and e-commerce infrastructure. You benefit from the growth of online shopping without the risk of a single tech stock. Stag is about owning the invisible infrastructure that powers daily life, and getting paid for it every month. It's a modern way to earn old-fashioned rent checks. If you want your portfolio linked to the packages at your door, Stag is a smart pick. Simple, powerful, and profitable. That's the beauty of monthly dividends. Let's move to another essential sector. On to energy. Now let's tap into energy with Pembina Pipeline, ticker PBA. Pembina is a Canadian company, but you can buy it easily in the US. They own pipelines that transport oil and gas. Think of them as the toll roads of energy. They don't drill or refine, they just move the product and collect a fee, making their revenue stable and predictable. Their customers sign long-term contracts, so Pembina knows what's coming in, and can pay you a reliable monthly dividend. They've been paying monthly for decades with a current yield around 5.5%. You get exposure to energy infrastructure without the wild swings of oil prices. As long as North America needs energy, Pembina's pipelines will be in demand. Even in tough times, people need heat and transportation. It's a defensive, high-yield stock for your monthly income stream. Diversify beyond real estate. Own the plumbing of the energy world. Let's see how you can invest like a shark. Ever wanted to be a Shark Tank investor? Main Street Capital, ticker Main, lets you do just that. Main is a business development company, or BDC, investing in small and mid-sized private businesses. They provide loans and take equity stakes, earning interest and a share of profits. This gives you exposure to dozens of companies, like owning a mini conglomerate. The interest income flows to shareholders as monthly dividends, currently yielding about 6%. Main also pays special dividends when their investments do especially well. You get diversification, high yield, and access to private equity, all in one stock. No need to vet hundreds of businesses. Maine's experts do it for you. It's a simple way to tap into America's growth engine small businesses. If you want a unique, high-yield asset, Maine is a top pick. Collect monthly checks and the occasional bonus. Now, let's look at a stock riding a powerful demographic wave. Our final pick is LTC Properties, ticker LTC, focused on senior housing and healthcare real estate. LTC owns and finances assisted living and nursing facilities, serving the growing population of retirees. Every day, thousands of baby boomers retire, fueling demand for LTC's properties. It's a simple supply and demand story. More seniors, more need for care facilities. LTC collects rent from operators who have a steady stream of residents. Healthcare is recession-resistant. People always need care. LTC's dividend yield is around 6%, paid monthly. You're investing in a non-discretionary need, backed by a massive demographic trend. By owning LTC, you're the landlord for essential senior care. It's a high-yield, stable addition to any dividend portfolio. Sometimes the best investments serve fundamental human needs. Let's wrap up with your monthly paycheck plan. There you have it. 5 stocks that can start sending you a paycheck every month. Realty Income, Stag Industrial, Pembina Pipeline, Main Street Capital, and LTC Properties each offer a unique way to generate steady cash flow. Don't just chase the highest yield. Diversify across sectors for a more stable income stream. You don't need a fortune to start. With fractional shares, you can begin with as little as $50. Buy a slice of each and watch those monthly dividends add up. Start small, stay consistent, and let compounding work for you. Like this video if you learned something new. Comment Dividend Life if you're building that monthly income. And subscribe for more faceless investing videos made just for you. Your monthly paycheck plan starts now.